Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. So at first go to TikTok and then your profile, and then click on the three bars here, and then go to settings and privacy, and then click on the first option, which is account, and then go to switch to business account, and then click on next. And suppose it's electronics or whatever type it is, then click on next again, and then just name it whatever you want to. I'll just name it How to Solution, and then confirm, and then maybe later. And now it says you're all set. So once I've switched to this one, the last requirement is I need to have 1,000 followers. Right now I have only 3 followers, but when you will have at least 1,000 followers, if you click on edit profile, there should be add a website link on your TikTok bio like this. Like right now I have email, so all you can do is add your email. If you have 1,000 followers, then you can put your website link too. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.